Oh, heb je stress? U hebt stress? No. Loose.
Ini juga 5.
Come on guys, who owe me? That's all. One there? I don't care who. Come on, I don't care who, but someone will. Yeah, move to left. One. Okay, the other side, guys. Okay, start closing as well. Not only movement. That's good. Fantastic. That's it. Exercise right seat. Put yourself until you get down. Okay? Count.
Betul-betul seimbang.
Already? Hey.
Agak kasih turun. Bengkokkan. Lagi.
More. Bend a little bit more. More, just 5 seconds. 5 seconds and keep it. Okay? Good. Now, turn to your colleague. First one to put the feet on the floor. Okay guys, stay for the other leg, please.
Oh, heb je stress? U hebt stress? No. Loose.
It's alright. You didn't touch the floor.
No.
You didn't touch the floor.
Exercise here, no here.
Okay, don't forget to bend all the time. Okay? Nobody touch the floor. Okay, everyone. All good. There's one team who's still in form. Make the pass. Stick to the middle. there's no point. Go in the house. Come on, control it. Make the pass. Right move to the left. Come.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oke, belakang sila. 1, 2, 3. Ayo, ambil. Mulai kiri, mulai kiri.
Take one side.
Itu ini nah.
As soon as you get control it, we will pass again, okay? Control it. As soon as you control it, you pass again.
Bro. Putar, putar, putar.
Use the left foot.
Kiri, kiri. Ayo kiri. Ayo kaki, kiri.
Come on, guys. Make the pass, go to the other, yes.
Biru tim stay. Careful with the line, Jansen. Zach, you are offside. Come on. Quickly, quickly. Stand. No, Biru team. Hard line. You are on the box. Up, up, push up, push up. Datang satu, Dani. Datang satu. Bagus.
Setiap saja pasti di belakangnya itu bisa saya. Mau ini?
Ya.
Menonton harus latihan setengah 3 orang ini.
Harus istirahat di sini gimana? Ini ada pinalilingan. Sebelah kiri. Halo tuh. Sebelah pinggir man. Boleh, jangan. Ini pinalilingan. Pinalilingan. Berapa?